Hey guys, it's Bobby at Pastor's Pocket EDC. I'm so glad you joined us today. It's been over a year since I posted a video, but I'm excited because we're going to begin to post more consistently and we're going to begin to grow the channel. We're going to be doing reviews, talking about EDC, and even talking about our faith. Today we have an unboxing. Our friends over at 704 Gear sent some knives that I'm going to unbox and give my first impressions of. And then later on, we're going to be doing reviews on those knives. So I'm extremely excited about that. So make sure that you subscribe and that you push the notification so that when we do a new video, you'll know about it. Now let's get to the unboxing. All right, so we're here and we're going to do the 704 Gear unboxing. First, I want to thank 704 Gear for sending me these knives. I'm extremely excited to take a look at them. I give first impressions. I will definitely be doing reviews on these knives later on. So make sure that you subscribe and that you turn on the notifications. You can also follow us on Instagram at Pastor's Pocket EDC, as we're going to be doing many more videos and we plan on having a lot of things going on to do that. So let's get started. Okay, let's pull out the first one. It is the 704 Gear Blitz. And so let's just open it up. Oh, wow. Very cool. Comes in a nice nylon case. It says 704 on it. Wow, that's really awesome. All right. Oh, wow. That's a very nice case. It really is. Comes with a cleaning rag. It looks like it's a microfiber cleaning rag, 704. Very cool. Loving that. It says comes with a lifetime warranty against defects. Very cool. And what looks like a cool, nice sticker. Two stickers. And a 704 sticker and another 704 with very nice, very nice. Sometimes it is the little extra things that they go a long way when it comes to these knives and buying anything really. All right, so let's get it out. It comes in plastic. Oh, very nice. I like the feel. I like the feel. Definitely comes out sharp. You've got the very nice 704 there on the end of it. This is, it's got a nice feel. It's nice in the hand. Fits really nice. Has good action. All right, yeah, very cool. My first impression of this is very good. All right, so let's move on to the next one. I'll grab one out of there. We put this stuff back. All right, so let's look at the next knife, see what I pull out of here. This is, let me find it. This is the 704 Gear Hornet. Let me get this out of the way. It's a little heavier. I'm going to make an assumption it might be a slightly bigger knife. Once again, has a nice case. I'm really digging the packaging and what comes with these knives. I don't know if everybody else is like this, but that actually means a lot to me when something's nicely packaged. Once again, you get the microfiber. You get the microfiber rag there. All right, so let's see here. That's a nice forest green. I like that color. Very nice. Wow. Once again, comes out sharp. It's got the same. It's got the same grip, just a different color than like the last one. And I'm not going to go into deep detail on these. That's what the review's for. But so far, my first impressions on these knives are I really like the professionalism and the packaging, and the knife themselves feel very good. All right, so here's the last one. All right, this is the Strider. Same great packaging. It looks like it is the same collar. Same collar. It's that forest green, which I love. Oh, wow. Yeah, so it's similar looking, except it looks like it has more of a reverse Tonto blade. I believe that's what it would be called, reverse Tonto. Very nice. It's a nice feeling knife. I like the way it feels in my hand as well. I am so excited to carry these, and my plan is I'm going to carry all of these for at least a month or so, each of them, and then do a review. So that'll be awesome to be able to do the review of these, because these will be nice knives to carry. I really like that blade. All right. So that is all what they sent me. Very impressed so far. Very impressed by the packaging. Impressed by the professional look, and the knives themselves. They feel that you can tell that they are very well made. They come out of the box sharp, so if you get one, make sure you don't cut yourself. So as my first impressions on these knives are very good. And so we will be doing reviews on these knives. I will be carrying them and then giving more in-depth reviews. And so I want to thank 704 Gear once again for sending them to me, for allowing me to put them on my channel. And go check out 704 Gear on their website, and also check out their YouTube channel. I will have links in the description. I will also have Amazon links to these knives in the description as well. They are affiliate links, so if you use those, it will definitely help the channel as we begin to grow and as we begin to expand what we're doing here at Pastor's Pocket EDC. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video today. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and that you turn on notifications so every time we release a video, you'll know about it. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at Pastor's Pocket EDC. Hey, thank you guys. Have a good one.